안녕하세요. 야매도 기술이다 이호철입니다. 제가 가지고 있는 환하게 좀 소프트웨어들입니다. 애플리케이션 라다3 있고요. Cnc 스크린, 픽처스 있고 파일 트랜스퍼, 포커스 라이브러리, 포커스 디텍터, NC 가이드도 버전 2개가 있죠. 환학 로보드릴 링크아이, 제 소프트웨어랑 로보드릴 링크아이를 많이 좀 비교를 하셔서 제가 이 소프트웨어에 보시면 샘플에 있었나 동영상이 어디 로보드릴 매뉴얼에 있는 매뉴얼 비디오에 잉글리시 무비의 인스톨 세팅 두 개의 비디오가 있습니다. 인스톨에 관한 비디오들 있고요. 그 다음에 세팅에 관한 비디오가 있는데 이 두 개를 같이 한번 로딩을 해서 알려드리겠습니다. 제가 환하게 저기는 없고요. 제 거 있는 요거를 환학 쪽에서 제가 유튜브에 올렸을 때 상관은 없겠죠. 제가 환학 링크아이를 홍보해 드리는 거니까 일단 두 개의 동영상을 올려 드릴 테니까 한번 보시고서 비교를 해 보십시오. 로보드릴 링크아이 스마트 팩토리의 환학에서 나오는 소프트웨어죠. 한번 비교해 보시고 보시면 될 것 같습니다. 일단 제 동영상을 올려서 유튜브에 올려드리도록 하겠습니다.
Steps to install Robodrill Link-I server components. This section introduces how to install Robodrill Link-I server components. The personal computer which Robodrill Link-I server components are installed in is called Server PC. Double-click on Robodrill Link-I Setup XA from the installation disk. If the warning message appears, click Yes. When the Select Setup Language dialog box appears, select the language and click OK. Click Next. Specify the destination folder to install Robodrill Link-I and click Next. Specify the folder to create the program shortcut on Start menu and click Next. Confirm the settings and click Install. The installation starts automatically. If the setup dialog box of .NET Framework appears, check the box for I have read and accept the license terms, and click Install. When the installation is complete, screen appears. Click Finish. If the dialog box of the Microsoft Visual C++ runtime appears, check the box for I have read and accept the license terms, and click Install. When the installation is complete, screen appears. Click Finish. If the maintenance dialog box of Microsoft Visual C++ runtime appears, select the Repair Microsoft Visual C++ 2010 x86 redistributable to its original state option and click Next. When the repair is complete screen appears, click Finish. The installation screen of Node.js appears. Click Next. check the box for I accept and click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Install. This screen appears after the Node.js installation is completed. Click Finish. The MongoDB installation starts. If the following warning message appears, click Allow Access. The following message appears. Click OK. Click Finish. If you want to install Robodrill Link I collector into the PC with Robodrill Link I server components installed, refer to the Steps to install Robodrill Link I collector section. In other cases, restart the computer. License Authentication. This section introduces how to set license authentication. Insert the hardware key for license authentication into a USB port on the PC, which Robodrill Link I server components were installed. From Windows Start menu, click All Programs, Fanuc, Robodrill Link I, Robodrill Link I Admin Tool. License authentication is done and admin tool is started. License authentication for the evaluation version. From Windows Start menu, click All Programs, Fanuc, Robodrill Link I, Robodrill Link I Admin Tool. This screen appears. Inform the Fanuc salesperson of user ID and request a license file. Steps to install Robodrill Link I collector. This section introduces how to install Robodrill Link I collector. The PC which Robodrill Link I collector is installed in is called Collector PC. Double-click on Robodrill Link I. Collector Setup Exe from the installation disk. If the warning message appears, click Yes. If the Select Setup Language dialog box appears, select a language and click OK. Click Next. Specify the destination folder to install and click Next. Click Install. The installation starts automatically. If the Setup dialog box of .NET Framework appears, check the box for I have read and accept the license terms, and click Install. When the installation is complete screen appears, click Finish. Click Finish. Restart the computer. The Robodrill Link I collector installation has been completed. Setting up Robodrill Link I. This video describes the basic settings of Robodrill Link I. Please refer to Fanuc Robodrill Link I Admin Tool Manual for detailed setting for specific functions. License authentication is required to install and use Robodrill Link I. Please refer to Fanuc Robodrill Link I Install Manual for details. Setup steps for Robodrill Link I. The administrator should perform setup steps using Server PC. Follow the steps below. Setup steps for Robodrill Link I. 1. Starting Admin Tool. 2. System Settings. 3. Machine Settings. 4. Equipment Settings. 5. Group Settings. 6. Layout Settings. 7. Authority Settings. 8. Send to DB. 9. Create collector setting files. Restart system, stop system. 1. Restart system. 2. Stop system. Confirm operation. For detailed information on each step, see the manual. 1. Starting Admin Tool. Start to set up Robodrill Link I. The administrator should start Admin Tool to set up Robodrill Link I. 1. From Windows Start menu, click All Programs. Fanuc, Robodrill Link I. Robodrill Link I Admin Tool. 2. There are 2 cases as below depending on the setting made so far. In the case where username or password are not set yet, when you see the message below, click OK. After the Admin Tool menu window appears, you should set the username, password in the System Setting window. In the case where username and password have already been set, the minimized icon appears as below. Select Admin Tool on the taskbar. Three. The Admin Tool menu window appears. 2. System Settings. Make the general system configuration for Robodrill Link I. Set the username and password to connect to Robodrill Link I database. 1. In the Admin Tool menu screen, click System Setting to show the System Setting window. 2. Set the username and password and click OK. Username. Set the username to connect to the database. Admin is not allowed. Password. Set the password to connect to the database. Admin is not allowed. 3. Click Connecting Test to run the connecting test. If the connecting test fails, restart the server PC and retry the connecting test. If the connecting test succeeds, click OK. 4. In the System Setting window, click OK and close the window. 3. Machine Settings. Make settings for the computer and the machine, and customize the data to collect. Set the machines to be connected to the collector PC. This section describes a setting that enables the server PC to run collector PC. 1. In the Admin Tool menu screen, click Machine Setting to show the Machine Setting window. 2. Right-click on the Collector Tree menu and select Add Collector. When the Add Collector window appears, conduct setting. Collector name. Set the computer name of Collector PC. See Note. Please set the computer name of Collector PC to the collector name. In this example, the server PC is used, so the name of the server PC is used. To check the computer name, right-click Computer in the Windows Start menu and select Properties. Use the computer name displayed in the system window as the collector name. Collector IP. Set the IP address of Collector PC. In this example, the IP address for the server PC is used. Collector port. Set the port number used by Collector PC. Leave this filled with a default value of 50,001 unless it is required to set a specific port number. 3. When the setting is completed, click OK. 4. A new collector is added to the Collector and Machine tree in the Machine Setting window. In the right area of the Machine Setting, you should see Collector Setting and Receiver Setting related to the collector you selected. 5. Conduct. Receiver Setting. IP address. Set the IP address for server PC. Port. Set the port number used by server PC. Leave this filled with the default value of 50,000 unless it is required to set a specific port number. 6. Set Machine. Right-click on Collector 01 in the Collector and Machine tree and select Add Machine. When the Add Machine window appears, conduct setting. Machine name. Set the machine name to be connected. In this example, it is named as Robodrill 001. Machine type. Select the type of machine to be connected. Only Fanuc Cnc is available now. Cnc Paths. Select Cnc path of the machine. 1 is used for Robodrill. Servo axis. Set the number of the servo axis of each Cnc path for the machine. 3 is used for Robodrill. If an axis added, use 4 or 5. Spindles. Set the number of the spindles for each Cnc path for the machine. 1 is used for Robodrill. 7. Click OK when the setting is completed. Please note that you cannot change the name, type, Cnc path, servo axis, or spindles of the machine after setting is once completed. When you set the wrong name value, delete the machine setting and set it with the correct name value. 8. Click Yes. A new machine is added to the Collector and Machine tree in the Machine Setting window. To delete a machine, right-click the machine name in the Collector and Machine tree in the Machine Setting window and select Delete Machine. In the right area of the machine setting, you should see the settings of the machine you selected. Confirm that the Connect checkbox is checked. 9. Select Protocol tab and set these items below. Web name. Set a machine name to display in the web screen. In this example, the machine name Robodrill 001 has been set. IP address. Set the IP address of the machine to be connected. Port. Set the port of the machine to be connected. Usually, 8193 has been preset as the initial value. The procedure for confirming the IP address of the Robodrill is as follows. Display the NC screen. Open the vertical soft key and select Common. The IP address of the Robodrill is displayed. To check the port number, press the Focus 2 key. Robodrill Link I uses the port number for TCP. Timeout. Set the timeout. The unit of time is the second. 10. Select the base signal tab and set the signals to be obtained. Check each checkbox on if you want to obtain the signal and off if not. 11. Repeat the same operation for other machines. 12. When you have completed all steps, click OK and close the machine setting window. When a message appears, read it and click OK. Four. Equipment settings. Set an icon for each equipment and select the status to display on the web. Conduct equipment setting according to the machines to be connected. Set the items below. The equipment icons displayed in the monitoring screen. Status. 1. In the Admin Tool menu screen, click Equipment Setting to show the Equipment Setting window. 2. Set Equipment. Right-click on the Equipment Tree menu in the left pane of the Equipment Setting window and select Add Equipment. 3. The equipment is added to the equipment tree. 4. In the Basic Setting box, change the equipment name and the web name as below. Equipment name. Set the equipment name. In this example, the equipment is set at Equipment 0001. Web name. Set an equipment name to be displayed on the web screen. In this example, it is set as Equipment 0001. 5. In the Simple Assign Status area, table of the status setting window, click Preset to show the preset window. 6. Select the Robodrill 001 set in the machine setting window and click OK. 7. In the Simple Assign Status area table, status information collected by Robodrill Link I is added. Status added here are signals with its Enable checkbox checked in the Signal Setting tab in the Machine Setting window, and signals added in the Custom Signal tab in the Machine Setting window in Robodrill 001. 8. In addition, in the Multiple Assign Status area, the following basic status are pre-registered. The basic status settings are conducted automatically by preset signal selecting operation in the Simple Assign Status area. Please refer to Fanuc Robodrill Link I Admin Tool Instruction Manual for details. 9. Check the Priority View checkbox for status to display in the Monitoring Equipment Monitoring window. Status. Mode Path 1 Robodrill 001. Description. Equipment Operation Mode. Status. Product Result Number. Description. Parts Number. Production Results. The total number of the status displayed in Priority View is up to 10 when using both Simple Assign Status Area and Multiple Assign Status Area. When Priority View is used, the status information is displayed in the Monitoring Equipment Monitoring, as shown below. 10. Repeat the same operation for other equipment. 11. When you have completed all steps, click OK and close the equipment setting window. 5. Group Settings. Assign equipment to groups. Classify equipment data into groups. 1. In the Admin Tool menu screen, click Group Setting to show the Group Setting window. 2. Set Group. Right-click on the Group Tree menu of the left pane of the Group Setting window and select Add Group. 3. A group is added to the group tree. 4. In the Basic Setting group box, change the group name and the web name. Group Name. Set the group name. In this example, it is named as Group 0001. Web Name. Set the web name to display in the web window. In this example, the group name, Group 0001, is used. 5. In the Register Group window, select the equipment from the equipment list and click Add. In this case, 2 pieces of equipment displayed will be added. 6. The selected equipment will appear in the equipment assigned to group. 7. When you have completed all steps, click OK and close the Group Setting window. 6. Layout Settings. Place equipment icons along the factory layout. Set layouts in the Monitoring Overlook window. 1. In the Admin Tool menu window, click Layout Setting to show the Layout Setting window. 2. Right-click on the Layout Tree menu in the left pane of the Layout Setting window and select Add Layout. 3. This will add new layout in the Layout Tree. The equipment names set in the Equipment List area are displayed. 4. Click Load Background Image to load the image file displayed on the background of the Monitoring Overlook window. In this example, this image will be loaded. You can find some other sample background images in the folder as shown in the caption. Replace C Fanuc Empty Link Eye to the Robodrill Link Eye installation folder in your system. Five. Place the icon Equipment 0001. When you check Equipment 0001 in the equipment list, the Equipment 0001 icon will appear in the Edit area. Drag the icon and move to any place you like. You can drag the 4 corners of the icon and resize, expand, reduce it. 6. Take similar steps to place the icon of Equipment 0002. When you check Equipment 0002 in the equipment list, the Equipment 0002 icon will appear in the Edit area. Drag the icon and move to any place you like. You can drag the 4 corners of the icon and resize, expand, reduce it. 7. When you have completed all steps, click OK and close the Layout Setting window. Seven. Authority Settings. Set the account name and password to log into the web. Set the user to sign into the web server in a web browser. You can set a role to each user. You can restrict access by group, function, and so on. 1. In the Admin Tool menu window, click Authority Setting to show the Authority Setting window. 2. Set roles in the Role List group box. Click Add. Set the items in the Add Edit Role of Authority window. Role Name. Set the role name to each user that signs in. In this example, it is set as Role 0001. In this example, default values are used. Authority level, read only. Authority by group, read only. Authority by layout in Monitoring Overlook, read only. Authority by function, read only. Click OK. 3. Conduct user setting in the User List group box. Click Add. Set the items in the Add Edit User window. Username. You use this username to sign in at the Login window. In this example, User 0001 is used. Role. The role to be assigned to the user. Select Role 0001 from the role list and click Add. Password. The password used when signing in. Language. The language used in the web UI. Click OK. 4. When you have completed all steps, click OK and close the Authority Setting window. 8. Send to DB. Save various data that have been set in the database. The setting data is managed by the database. After completing the settings, send the setting data to the database to reflect the settings. You should also generate the collector setting files and reflect them to the collector PC. For Creator Collector setting files and send data to collector after create, refer to the Create Collector Setting Files section. 1. In the Admin Tool menu window, click Send to DB to show the Send to DB window. 2. Confirm that the Reboot Receiver checkbox is on and click Send to DB. If failed, error messages and details will appear. Follow the messages, correct the settings. 3. If succeeded, click Close to close the Send to DB window. 9. Create collector setting files. Reflect the setting to the collector PC. And start the collector function when starting for the first time. Generate the collector setting files and reflect the setting to collector PC. If this is your first time to generate the collector setting files, you should use manual updating because a collector setting file has never been generated. Manual updating. Use manual updating when Robodrill Link I has never been set up or a new collector PC is added. 1. In the Admin Tool menu window, click Create Collector Setting Files to display the Create Collector Setting Files window. 2. Confirm that the Send Data to Collector After Create checkbox is off and click Run. If a dialog box appears, click OK. 3. Reflect the generated collector setting files to Collector PC. If you open the collector setting folder created in 2 using Windows Explorer, you will find the following 3 files. collector setting.json, L0 setting.json, system.json. Copy the 3 files to the destination folder in the collector PC as shown in the caption. The file path shows the default destination. If you already have those files, overwrite them. 4. Start Robodrill link I collector. From the Windows Start menu, select Control Panel, Administrative Tools, Services. In the Service window, search Empty Link I Collector. 5. Right-click on Empty Link I Collector and point to Start or Restart to start Robodrill Link I Collector. Auto-updating. Robodrill Link I has already been set up. 1. In the Admin Tool menu window, click Create Collector Setting Files to display the Create Collector Setting Files window. 2. Confirm that the Send Data to Collector After Create checkbox is on and click Run. If a dialog box appears, click OK. 3. When Collector is rebooted, click OK. If an error message appears, use Manual Updating. Restart System, Stop System. Start, Stop, Data Collection by Robodrill Link I. 1. Restart System. When you have completed all steps, confirm if the system works. 1. Confirm whether the Restart System button is enabled or disabled in the Admin Tool menu window. 2. If the Restart System button is enabled, system is not running. Click Restart System to show the Restart System window. 3. Click OK and Restart System. 2. Stop System. In order to shut down the server PC, you should first stop Robodrill Link I. 1. In the Admin Tool menu window, confirm whether the Stop System button is enabled or disabled. 2. If the Stop System button is enabled, the system is running. Click Stop System to display the Stop System window. 3. Click OK to stop system. Confirm operation. Check whether Robodrill Link I is running properly. Follow the steps below and confirm that you can see each window. For detailed information on each step, refer to the Fanuc Robodrill Link I Web UI Operator's Manual. 1. Open a web browser using Client PC and fill in the URL shown in the caption. Replace 192.168.0.1 to the IP address of the server PC. 2. The login screen appears as below. Input your username and password and click Sign In. Three. When you are signed in successfully, you will see the Monitoring Overlook window. This completes the setting up of Robodrill link eye.